Looking for a budget-friendly laptop that delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks? Today, we're reviewing the HP 15 6-inch touchscreen laptop powered by an Intel Core i3 with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. It's sleek, affordable, and packed with features that might surprise you. Stick around as we unbox it, test its performance, and see if it's the right laptop for you in 2024. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is simple yet secure. Inside, we have the laptop itself, a 4500 power adapter, some setup documentation, and that's about it. Taking the laptop out of the sleeve, the first thing you'll notice is the natural silver finish. It feels sturdy, though the plastic build is expected at this price range. At just over 4 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, making it a good option for students or professionals on the go. Under the hood, we have an Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SD, the 15 6-inch touchscreen is a standout feature at this price point. It's responsive, making it a great choice for users who enjoy touch navigation. However, the display resolution is only 1366 x 768, so don't expect super sharp visuals. Watching YouTube or Netflix is fine, but the experience is best in well-lit environments as the screen's brightness isn't except the 256 GB SSD offers enough storage for documents, photos, and a few larger files. If you're a student or someone who works mostly online, this should be sufficient. The SSD also ensures quick app launches and file transfers. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking between Chrome, Microsoft Office, and Zoom work without lag. But if you're someone who keeps 50 browser tabs open, you might notice some slowdown. Battery life is crucial for portability, and this laptop doesn't disappoint. In my testing, it lasted around 7 hours of casual usage, including web browsing and streaming. However, heavy usage like video editing will reduce this to about 4-5 hours. In conclusion, the HP 15 6-inch touchscreen laptop is a solid choice for students, professionals, or anyone looking for an affordable and reliable device. While it's not built for power users or gamers, it excels in delivering what most people need day to day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think about this laptop? Would you buy it? Let me know.